find it on the playground, and you can find it in the boardroom, and you can find it everywhere else in life. In school, in athletics, in politics, in neighborhoods. Envy is everywhere. I see what you want, and I want it for myself. And I see what you are, and I want to be you. Now, today, we're going to look at a story of Jesus. It's a very famous parable called the parable of the vineyard and the vineyard workers. It's in Matthew chapter 20. And in that passage, Jesus tells us the 4 antidotes to evicting envy from my heart, eradicating envy from my life, uprooting it, eliminating it out of my life. But before we look at that, I want to just quickly help you see how much damage envy does in your life. Because we think, because it's a hidden sin, that it's not a bad one. In other words, you see adultery, you know what happens, you can see it. Addictions, you can see a lot of other things. But envy is hidden. We don't realize how it devalues other people, how it damages relationships, how it destroys your happiness, how it makes you miserable, how it causes you to miss God's plan for your life. So let me just quickly give you 4 things that envy does in your life. Write these down. Number 1, first, it denies my uniqueness. It denies my uniqueness.
Bye-bye.
Now the Bible says God has
Bye-bye.
uniquely shaped you. God doesn't make clones.